Wedding trends tend to change with the season, bringing along a few classic staples you can rely on. Dusty blue has always been a bridal favorite, however this year it's stepping into the spotlight. Dusty blue is a color that is truly versatile, inspiring a brilliant array of color palettes for any season. Known as the new neutral to love, the deep hue of dusty blue is elegant and romantic. For a spring or summer event, try pairing dusty blue with shades of blush, peach, purple, or gold. For fall and winter, pair dusty blue with champagne, burgundy, navy blue, or white. Our wide range of decor is designed to inspire brides, wedding planners, or anyone throwing an event at a great price. Our collection of dusty blue includes tablecloths, table runners, napkins, table skirts, drapes, charger plates, and more. Worried our dusty blue may not be the true muted shade you're after? Don't worry. As CV Linen's customer Marielle said about our dusty blue chiffon table runners, "My daughter was very specific about the color she wanted to use for her wedding. These runners are perfect. Can't wait to see them on the tables." Although it's one of the biggest color trends of 2020, don't be surprised to see dusty blue become a staple color in years to come. What's your favorite dusty blue color combination? Let us know in the comments. You can find a link to our entire dusty blue collection in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.